Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram's annoying could not open photo. Please try again in a moment, error step by step. You can see this is a problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Tap on apps option. Search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Clear cache and clear data. Delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow, back. Second call logs allow. Third camera allow. Contacts allow. Another location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, turn on notifications. Okay, back. And phone allow. And very important, photos and videos allow. Okay, go back and allow all permission complete. Go back and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Go back and check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar. Search Instagram. Update. Check Instagram update. My Instagram already updated to the latest version. Okay, done. And open your Instagram app. Tap on plus icon. See, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.